Hi, today I'm running new Redmi Notes and Lite, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So unfortunately we have now installed by default always on display option on our Redmi phone, and that's why we should get the application from the Play Store. So open the Play Store, and in the search bar you should enter the Movies Edge. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download it and then install it on your device. So after that, just tap to open the app and click to draw our apps. Now you should find here the Movies Edge application and tap here to the switcher. So let's go back to the app, tap to edit section and select one from these available tabs, click to apply. So let's just now lock the device, and we can see that our the always on display application and option successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.